And last but not least, you want a sitemap. By generating and submitting an XML sitemap to search engines, particularly Google Search Console, this assists you in indexing your content and informs search engines about the structure of your website. Again, this is a simple little file that's basically like a notepad file with all of your URLs attached. Most WordPress will automatically generate it. I think most major web building platforms are automatically going to generate it for it. You just got to find it. Depends on what platform you're on, where it's going to be at, but every major web build platform is going to have a sitemap that you can just grab and submit. It's very easy. Feel free to ask questions in the group. Let us know what platform you're on, and we'll try to figure out where that is so that you can grab yours and get it submitted and start ranking for the right keywords. A well-structured website with intuitive navigation enhances user experience, encourages engagement, and helps search engines understand and rank your content effectively. So by following these basic topics that we discussed here, your website's SEO best practices are going to return volumes of business by ensuring that you rank well for your services, for the right services, I should say. And as a result, you're going to get more business. So always utilize SEO best practices in everything you do.